So this is a soldering iron stand which I made by my own, and basically I was not comfortable buying such stand at around 250 rupees or 230 rupees from online or offline. So I have decided to build it by myself. So for that reason, I have used two things mainly, basically three things. One is the battery. This is a old torch batteries. Currently the torch manufacturers does not provide this capacity. They provide these small batteries now and then. And uh, back in the days they have used this kind of batteries which was lying in my drawer. So I take it out, and it was very bulky, so I have decided to use it to shift the uh, center of mass lower to the ground, sorry, lower to the surface of the table. So this is the total system, and the center of mass of this system is little bit lower. Little bit means further lower compared, because this is very bulky compared to the soldering iron. So for that reason I have used it such to make the center of mass lower, near the surface of the table. That's the whole purpose of it. So you can use any bulky block like this. Initially I wanted to use this metal scrap, but soldering the copper wire into the surface was very hard, because the soldering iron was not powerful enough to warm up the whole surface, and I forgot my blowtorch in my PG. So I did not have the access to use blowtorch to warm up the surface of the this metal and then use the flux and soldering wire. So when I was using the soldering machine to warm up the surface, it was taking a lot of time. So it was not basically working to solder the copper wire into the surface of this metal scrap. Then I looked in the drawer and found this battery. It was very bulky, so whatever. And this copper enamel wire, this is 1.66 millimeter diameter based a copper enamel wire, and I have purchased it from Maker Bazaar at 40 rupees for a meter, basically 100 centimeters. And here the total length of the copper enamel wire is less than 20 centimeters. So ultimately the cost of the copper enamel wire here in this particular project comes out to be 8 rupees. And the cost of the battery is basically was free for me because it was lying in my drawer. But if you want to get such batteries from any scrapyard or any repair shop, they can charge from 10 to 20 rupees, hardly 30 rupees. So overall this stand cost me less than 40 rupees to build, whereas the online versions are selling at 250 rupees. And online versions does not use such concept. They rely on the surface area. So basically their design has a board with a huge surface area and a spring on top. But with that kind of design, the problem is that it takes a huge amount of space on the table, whereas my DIY version does not take such space. But again, my version is little bit bulky, but I think bulkiness, I mean bulky means weight, okay. I think bulkiness is greater than the surface area of the table, because I have a limited area in my workbench. And again, when I will go to my PG, then there will be again there will be a lot of space constraint on the table, because it's a sharing PG. So for that reason I have chosen this particular design and concept, and it's very stable as per my observation. And I am addicted to it. I am addicted to it. So whatever, it's very stable. So that's it for today. The overall system, this particular system overall cost me 40 rupees without I mean, if you include the glue guns, hot glue's cost, then again hot glue is very cheap. So yeah, under 40 rupees you can build such thing under 40 rupees. And I have used in this particular design, I have put the copper enamel wire through the holes of the lead acid battery. Lead acid battery provide two holes. I don't actually know what was the purpose of them, because the huge batteries do need some kind of refilling with distilled water, but I don't know this kind of battery also needs or not. So basically I have put the copper enamel wire through the hole, then sealed it with the hot glue and give such support with hot glue, and yeah, it's done. It's a very fun project to build, but yeah, very cost effective and efficient design as per my understanding. And let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.